Anton Paar Certified Service ensures your instruments perform at their best throughout their entire life cycle. Through factory-certified expertise, proactive live support, and a global service network, we help you maximize uptime, enhance performance, and protect long-term value. Our preventive service solutions are designed to keep your operations running smoothly, reducing interruptions, improving efficiency, and ensuring optimal measurement results at all times. Anton Paar Service supports full regulatory compliance through a risk-based lifecycle approach, including instrument qualification, calibration, and system validation, so that you are always audit-ready. When speed of assistance matters, so does proximity. With rapid response teams across all continents and operations in more than 110 countries, we are exactly where you need us. Standardized service procedures using approved methods, original parts, and direct manufacturer expertise maximize product quality worldwide. Because we're not just a supplier of instruments, we're a partner for a lifetime.